Can I go and stand in here? I want to. I cannot see it from here, no? Yeah. Uy. But we still have to keep going to the side there. There. But this is the, yeah, beginning. Go.
I thought that we were here. It's up here as well.
Rodney Garden for the second time around. Wow na wow. Super. Third.
On your own, you know?
Is it third? Then I call this Paradise. Paraiso. Heather na siya. Heather. So many types of heather. Here, so many types. Heather na siya. Heather. There are pink, yellow, green, white.
I've got a dark t-shirt on. That didn't help him.
In it. Yeah, it's in it, no?
Yeah.
And then there are purple. Purple. White. Pink. Amazing. Hello. Amazing color. Medyo ko, you know what? Medyo ko puraan balik-balik diri.
Very short.
What?
The dog has got no legs. It's very short in the legs, I'm saying.
Ah, did they talk about the dog?
Yeah.
And then it's all round like this. And I don't think we keep going to the right. It's from here. So many types. Here. There are so many people here. They are working for nothing. They are volunteering. So when they're like maintaining the garden really nice, they're not even get paid for it. They just keep it looks nice. And like that. See? Cute kaayo. Ay, so we've been here. Ay, how many times na? Kasi I can't help it. It's so amazing. It's amazing how they maintain it really well. Now I'm gonna cross back. Okay. And while I'm crossing, I'll show you the view. Okay, here I come. Water is so clear. Super clear ang water. Tapos, I am now crossing. I'm sure if Denise is here, nako, si Denise. Denise will be over the moon. We'll bring her here And we'll just let her to walk and walk and walk. Na traffic sila, guys. So nice talaga. Wow, there's fish. I miss it. And then walk and walk and walk and walk. And walk and walk. We're so lucky it's sunny and the water is not as cold. Honestly. Ay. Pag malaglag ang phone, goodbye. Babalik na ako. So nice. It's so cool. So cool in your feet, guys. We'll see here if I can see fish. There's plenty fish. You see it? There. Hindi masyadong, it's not very clear. There. Cannot see because it's too sunny. I can't get over with the view. So nice. Grabe talaga. Balik na kami. Punta kami sa garden. We are not finished yet. Continue pa kami sa gardens. Super nice doon. You want to go? It's very nice, Han. Why? So nice. Grabe.